Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Well, setbacks are abounding on this project, but can't let that stop us. We'll just go on to the next part of it and see if we can't make this work. That should work. To quote Herman's Hermits, second verse, same as the first. We've broken the first shaft. There's still more to work with. I got another piece of broom handle left after this, but I don't want to break this one too. Now we're going to flip it end for end. See if we can't keep it from wandering out the side. We've gone in halfway. Now we're going to come at it from this other direction. The idea is to run a length of this 1/4 inch threaded rod down through the bamboo to stiffen it up. We're halfway through. I'm going to flip it around and come at it from the other end, see if I can't avoid coming out the side. Where I ran into trouble was where I switched over and started using this drill bit. This drill bit has a 1/4 inch shank, but it's slightly larger. It drills actually a 5/16 diameter hole. That let the drill bit bend and start traveling out the side. I was halfway through the length of the shaft, and when this started drilling on its own, it tended to wander off. Because I was using a hand drill, there wasn't anything to help orient it towards the center of the bamboo rod. So it just went the path of least resistance and worked its way right on out the side. all the travel I have to work with too, Took every bit of it. Okay, that's going to center it on that end. And we'll see if this dead center will center it over here. Nope, I need an adapter. That dead center is too small. Okay, I got a live center on this end. I got a dead center in this inside the chuck. That's going to keep me driving. Now if I can take it down to 7/8 without walking through the side of that hole, I'll be all set. By using a right-hand cutter, I was able to slide up to the end of this thing and cut that off square. Now I just got to put a threaded rod in the center, cut it off, tighten a couple of bolts up on it, and be good to go. Well, got the 1/4 inch rod in there. I just have to glue on the end cap and then put it in the vise and glue on the other end cap. That should take care of it. But before I do that, I want to sand this down and get some boiled linseed oil on it. So I'll take after that with a bit of hand sandpaper. I'm going to wait till after I glue before I put the boiled linseed oil on it. That'll hold it steady. Make sure I get the glue spread around good. And put a clamp on it. Well, that should take care of it. I've got the handle shortened up. I've got it made out of bamboo. I've got a 1/4 inch threaded rod down through the middle of it, tightened up. If anything's going to hold it, this ought to do it. Managed to get dirt on my shirt, my hands dirty, and just in general had a fun time here in the shop. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching. And good idea, David.